Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 3.4 question number 3. Find first three common multiples of A, 6 and 8, B, 12 and 18. Now we'll find the first three common multiples of 6 and 8. First of all, 6 and 8, right? First I will find the multiples of 6. Multiples of 6. Multiples of 6. We write the multiples of 6 first, that is 1 into 6 is equal to 6, right? 2 into 6, 2 6 is 12, 3 into 6, 3 6 is 18, 4 into 6, 4 6 is 24, 5 into 6, that is 5 6 is 30, 6 into 6, 6 into 6 is equal to 36, and 6 into 7 is equal to 42, is equal to 42. Then 6 into 8, 6 8 is 48, is equal to 48. Then 6 into 9, 6 9 is 54, and 6 into 10 is equal to 60. This is the multiples of 6. Now we'll find the multiples of 8. Multiples of 8 are multiples of 8. Multiples of 8. That is 1 into 8 is equal to 8. 2 into 8 is equal to 16. 3 into 8 is equal to 24. 4 into 8, 4 8 is 32. 5 into 8, 5 8 is 40. 6 into 8, 6 8 is 48. 6 8 is 48. 7 into 8, 7 8 is 56. 7 8 is 56. 7 9 is 63. Then 8 into 8, 8 8 is 64. 8 8 is 64. 8 8 is 64. Then 9 into 8, 8 9 is 72. 72. And 9 into 10, 8 into 10, that is 10 into 8, that is 10 into 8, that is 8 times 80. Right? These are the multiples of 8 and multiples of 6. Now we'll find the common multiples, but 3 common multiples of 6 and 8. Which are common is C. This is 8, not common. 12, not common. 24. 24 is common in both. Here you see 24. Right? After that you will get 48. 48 is common also. 48. You see, this is 48. 48 is common. And the next one, that is after 8 is 80. Then we will find another multiples, that is 6 into 11. 6 into 11. That is 6 11 is 66. It is 66. 6 into 12 is equal to 72. Right? And we have to further find the multiples of 8 also. That is 11 into 8 is 88. That is 11 into 8 is equal to 88. Equal to 88. And here you have to write 6 into 13. 6 into 13. That is, this is 18. 8. Carry on. 6 and 7. 78. Here you see the multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72 and 78. And here you see the multiples of 8 are 88. 12 into 8, after that 12 into 8, 12 into 8, it is 16, 96. Here you see the next one is 6 into 14, 6 into 14, it is 4 6 are 24, 2 4, 6 and 7 8 84,